Hello there, my skateboarding friends and my fingerboarding friends and my RC friends and everybody out there. Hope you guys are doing okay, because I got something real cool to show you. You guys can see that? This is TechDeck Series 8. This is the stereo board, and this is the ultra rare. Now, with ultra rare boards, I usually keep it in a package, but I'm gonna open up this one just to show you guys, alright? So stay tuned. Alright, so let's open this up and see what you get. Oh, the guilt. The guilt's kicking in because it's an ultra rare board and I'm opening it up when I usually keep it in the package. But that's okay, because it's all for you guys. Alrighty. Good job, TechDeck, on the packaging. Alright, so we get the ultra rare board. And if you look at the board, standard shape. This is considered standard shape now from the older boards. I usually ride the older boards because they're a little bit more skinnier and they fit perfectly in my fingers. These are they're really wide. Standard grip tape. And if you guys take a look at the trucks, these are new upgraded 32mm trucks, and they kind of look like Thunder trucks, which are super awesome. I'll explain a little bit later and show you a comparison with the old trucks. But for now, you get the board, you get this stereo grip tape, which is super awesome. You get a T-tool. Again, this is another upgrade from the older tool. Alright, you get 4 sets of wheels, and each of these wheels are graphic wheels. They say stereo on them. Pretty cool. And you get a fingerboard stand, so you can show off your fingerboard at the office, in the man cave, at home, etc. So that's everything there. You get 4 wheels, you get a fingerboard stand, you get the T-tool, you get extra stereo grip tape, which is awesome, and you got the actual fingerboard. And this fingerboard it's so wide, it's like so freaking wide. But I guess that's, that's standard shape now, because all the other fingerboard company are coming out with some really big, wide fingerboards. Alright, so moving on to the trucks. If you guys notice, these trucks, and they look super duper cool, and they turn really good too. It's not like those hard plastic trucks that usually come with TechDecks. These are actually pretty well tuned. You have 2 rubber O-rings, you have washers on top and on the bottom, and it pivots really good, not like the old kind. I'm really stoked on these new trucks. Let me show you a comparison with the old trucks. Alright, here is the old trucks versus the new trucks that TechDeck came out with. See how the shape's a little bit different? The front of the trucks look like they're Thunder trucks rather than just the regular fingerboard trucks. So that's pretty awesome. And if you notice, there's washers and the O-ring versus the old trucks. It's just a piece of plastic brick in there. Can't turn or anything. So yeah, good job, TechDeck. Good job for coming out with these upgraded 32mm trucks. Alright, here's a quick comparison from the old style fingerboard to the new style fingerboard and to the newer style fingerboard. So when I started fingerboarding, it was like early 2000, and it was something like this. No concave, everything's flat. The nose and tail is super mellow. The trucks are really small, and what I did was I put some rubber stuff in there just to make it soft so that I could pivot. And yeah, like put on some foam grip tape, and this was it. This was the best fingerboard I've ever skated. I really like these little skinny kind versus the newer kind where it's kind of wide. The concave is like super concave. It feels weird on my finger. Check out the kicks and tail. It's so high. But the trucks are good. The wheels are good. They roll really nice. These new style wheels. And then the newer type of fingerboards, they're super wide. I mean, you guys can see it right there. I mean, look how wide it is. It's so wide. So wide. The kicks, nose and tail looks kind of mellow or medium to mellow and high. The concave is not so much concave like this thrashed up board. I mean, you can see it from the side view. It's pretty alright. And if you want to compare that to the first generation, there's no concave at all with the first generation. And I like that because my finger feels really good on it. I feel the whole board. Versus this, there's concave, there's a lot going on, and I can't really, you know, perform the way I want to. But anyways, yeah, let's do some fingerboarding. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention. You guys can get this basically anywhere. Target has them, Walmart has them. You could even find them in some local skate shops. So that's pretty cool. I got this one here at Walmart for $2.99. Yep, $2.99. All right, let's do some fingerboarding, shall we? Oh man, oh, it's so smooth. And the trucks, they pivot so well. You know, I'm having second thoughts on these wide decks now. They actually feel pretty good. Maybe if I put on some foam grip on here, this fingerboard will be excellent. Or excellent. Hey! Wow! This might be my new favorite fingerboard. Huh. Let's try a 180. Alright, there you have it. The new Series 8 Stereo TechDeck. $2.99 at Target or Walmart. So next time you guys are there, make sure you pick yourself up one because tons of fun. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.